Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me trying new products edition. So I actually just gradually have been getting new products unintentionally, so I decided to just film like a get ready with me and see what I can come up with using these new products. Some products are not brand new, they're just new to my collection, so it's technically new to me. You guys will see how it all works out in the end. All the products as usual will be listed down in the description bar. Now we'll just jump right into the video. So I did prime my eyelids using the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade, I think it's called light ivory, yes. And I just set it with my Airspun translucent powder. So I'm gonna take the makeupshayla and colourpop palette. This is the Perception palette. It's so pretty. I just got it in the mail a few days ago, so I decided I would play with it because it was out of stock and I actually picked it up when it restocked. And I'm not usually like a shimmer person, but lately I've been liking shimmers a little more, so yes. So I'm just gonna take the shade Culture and use that as my transition shade, and then we'll see what we do. And I'm going to take my Morphe M535 brush. So I'm pretty much set with that. I'm going to take the shade Revenge, which is like a pinky red, like brick color pretty much. Put it on the outer part, like right below the crease. I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush for that. And the lid color is going to be bomb, guys, because the shimmers in here are perfect. Next, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to grab the shade Sassy, and it's like, let me show you guys. So I took this one for the outer, and I'm going to take Sassy for my lid. I'm going to take this with it. I don't like putting concealer on when I'm about to do that. It just, my lids are already so small, gets messy, so I just like to do it directly on like that. So I'm going to take a little bit, and it's pretty pigmented. So just to get a little more pigmentation, I'm going to wet my brush. So I'm going to dip it first and then wet it with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So I'm going to take the original brush I was using, the M433 by Morphe, and take the Played Out shade, which is like a brown shade, and start, you know, putting that out here. Okay guys, so I just did my lashes, my eyeliner off camera. So the eyeliner I used was my usual NYX matte eyeliner. My lashes are, I'm pretty sure they are Miss Fat Beauty lashes in Luxe, and I really like them. I didn't want the lashes to be too crazy, and I did try a new lash glue. This is the Ardell brush on lash adhesive. So far it's pretty good. This one's still drying a little bit, but yeah, I think we'll see how well it holds up in comparison to the Duo lash glue, which is the one I usually like. But I wanted the brush applicator because it's a little easier to apply. It's less messy, so I prefer that. So, oh, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Pro Glow to highlight. And I'm going to put this on the high points of my cheek and on my chin. This has like easily become one of my favorite primers. It's so pretty under any makeup. I love it. So that is what that looks like. Looks really pretty, really luminous. So the foundation I'm actually going to be taking, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in Tawny. I'm going to use my original beauty blender. I'm going to go dampen it and I'll be right back. So I'm back and let's do this thing. I think I'm going to take these two foundations. I'm going to take it on the back of my hand and mix it together. So I'm going to take the Estee Lauder, do a few pumps of that. And then I'm going to take my Fit Me, another foundation that does not have a pump. Like, come on. I'm going to stick to my usual concealer because I don't know what happened with that Wet n Wild one. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Light Ivory. Yup, Light Ivory. The next new product I'm going to try is the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Call Me Maple. Spanish Candy on Twitter and Instagram uses this to contour, and I was so intrigued to try it because her product recommendations are always really good. And I hate doing my forehead because I always feel like I look like I have a, what is it, a bronzer helmet or whatever they call it. I hate it. I hate contouring my forehead. But it's so damn big that I have to. So I'll rub it in and then I'll press it on. So that looks good. It actually blended out really nicely onto this foundation. So for powder, I'm going to use my very reliable Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and take whatever's left over in this cap from the translucent powder and set my face with it. So after baking for a little bit, I'm just going to dust this powder off. I'm using my Sigma Spotlight Duster F37 to do that. So next I'm going to take a bronzer. It is a new bronzer. Hopefully it works out for me, guys. So I'm taking the MAC Skin Finish powder in Give Me Sun, and I've wanted this for forever, and the other day I was at work and MAC is right next door. They were having 20% off, and you know MAC never really does sales like that, so I picked it up finally, and yeah, let's try it out. I really like it. Okay, so thank God that worked out. And I'm just gonna take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna take the same brush as before to blend those two together. So I'm gonna take my Luminoso blush by Milani and so anyways, I'm gonna grab the Benefit What's Up highlighter. This is like a cream one, so what I always do is I take it on my like ring finger and I'm gonna put that there. So you see that? I'm gonna add some to my nose. And then I'm gonna take a little more side. I used to love doing this. This is for those days you really want to glow. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty highlighter, Killwatt highlighter in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. So that's what it looks like. It's cute. And I'm gonna take my Morphe M510 brush and I'm gonna mix them together. I'm gonna use this setting spray to set my face. Hopefully it's nice. It's the Morphe setting spray. So, that right now. It looks really pretty, guys. So, we are almost done. My skin looks so good. So good. So good. I'm shook. It looks amazing. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to do my bottom lashes and then my lips, which I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. And then we'll be all done. So hopefully we can move quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna take my Sigma brush again. This is the blending E36 to just blend the bottom lashes using that red shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my usual L'Oreal Telescopic mascara to coat my lower lashes with it. So lower lashes are done. I'm gonna do Ashton by Anastasia Beverly Hills with a gloss on top. And I'm also going to take my lip liner by NYX in Sandstorm. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my hair off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done and this is the completed look. so let me zoom you guys in to see. But do you guys see this? The skin. Oh, and I actually decided to add a gloss on top of that liquid lipstick I used because it was a little too drying for me, and I've just been feeling glosses lately. So this is the NYX Lingerie gloss, which they just released. It's brand new in butter. It looks super pretty. I'm so happy with this look, and I love the eye look. I love the skin. I'm feeling it. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time.